the beef tapa stands out itself. And then, magiging sides lang yung potato and yung cheese. I use beef tapa sa rice, sa pasta, but it's my first time using it sa potato.
3, 2, and 1, go! Let the cooking begin!
The hero product that I use is Pure Foods Beef Tapa, inspired by Spadman. It's actually an English street food dish. I was thinking I'm in the campsite. I have my children. We're doing camping, and then we don't have a baking pan, baking dish. We don't have big oven. So I improvised, tried to look for a ceramic and a pan griller. Not everyone have oven. Not everyone have air fryer. They only have gas stove. So innovating a dish that is just using a gas range is something na every household needs to know. Madalicious in such a way, I just boil, I just bake, I just cook the beef tapa itself on its own. And kahit kids, they can do this on their own.